So the vision of South Riverdale is empowered, healthy, and thriving communities where everyone belongs. As a leader, my role is to decide how to articulate that vision. It's more about the how than the what. The notion that South Riverdale will be a place of community for everyone, for the people who work here, for the people who come here for services, for the people that volunteer as members of our board of directors or participate as members in the broader community. That is the vision that we as leaders have to create an environment where that's going to grow and thrive.
The idea for the formation of the men's group, it's about 4 years now really. It started about 2015. We're looking for a space that is safe for us to sit and talk about issues that impact men.
I'm single, and so it gets me out of the house, gets me to socialize with other people. When I first started with the center, they were over on 8th Avenue. 20 years later, they've got this big building with fabulous services for everybody.
South Riverdale has always been an organization that is willing to do what is right, a mature organization that many in the community look to as an anchor for value-based health services, and a clear role in supporting community voice and community governance into the future. And we've never been afraid to continue to be grassroots in our approach to community engagement while developing sophisticated, innovative approaches to work. We will continue to be a courageous organization that is committed to the values of equity and social justice. And we will continue to challenge our partners to lead with those values and with that approach.
We've been open now, going on to 2 years, and initially it started as a grassroots, volunteer-led service, just responding to an emergent kind of issue during the opioid crisis. So many of us started in the park, an act of civil disobedience that kind of turned some heads and got some attention. Luckily we were funded so that we can come indoors and kind of broaden the service, serve more people.
I've been a user for 28 years now, 29 years. You see those person's eyes pop back open and you know you got them. It's like, there's no other feeling in the world. Knowing that person gets to go home at night.
The folks that started in the park are people who live in this neighborhood, they're of this neighborhood, they use drugs in this neighborhood, so it was a real kind of collective response. You know, creating opportunities for people to learn and also to be teachers. I'm really grateful to be part of this community.
It's a privilege to be leading this organization, a humbling one because of its many accomplishments. There's so much demonstrated leadership from every part of the organization, whether it's our volunteers or our staff, that just being able to represent them well is a privilege.